I go into many restaurants and facilities and I see them with an open fryer and I see them with a pressure fryer. And I ask them, what do you use the pressure for? Well, we do 2 runs of chicken a day. How long does that take you? Oh, about 30 minutes. I said, what do you do with the fryer for the rest of the day? Well, we don't need any pressure frying, so we don't use it. Let me tell you, that's not the right answer. You can save your money, not buy another fryer. This unit, the BKI pressure fryer, can be operated open or closed, which is very important. It has a filtration system built in, so you're keeping the oil clean at all times, where your little stand-up $700 fryer has no filtration. You're going through oil quickly. You got carbons in your oil. It's a mess. This will filter it all out, extend the life of your oil, and save you a lot of money. And as far as function goes, it's a huge basket. And without the basket in there, I can float products. If you do tempuras, usually buy a large fryer to do it. This has the same volume. You can do tempura. If you want to do funnel cakes, all you do is take your batter in a bag, work it in, and make beautiful funnel cakes. Some of the best fried oysters in the world come out of this floating. So there's many things you can do. You can control the temperatures, you can control the quality of your oil, and never lock it down.